Jason, we talk about classic vintage vehicles. I mean, this is one of my favourites for sure. This is unbelievable, this car. Tell us a bit about it.
It really is unbelievable. These were a 1930 740 Packard. They're 6.3 litre straight 8, and in their day, it was just before the Great Depression, these were the highest of highest, I guess, sought after cars. People like Groucho Marx used to drive one of these around. They were a high-end celebrity type vehicle.
Unbelievable colour. I mean, the workmanship on this car is, and to think that it was, you know, as I said to you before, some of these Aussie boys hidden around the country, I mean, they're just geniuses, they're artists.
Yeah, this one was built by a guy in New South Wales, and you know, we've spoken to him since we've purchased the car. It's got lots of photos, lots of history, and trophies. It's quite the show winner in its day. So yeah, it's just a beautiful example, and it just screams quality, this car.